My name is Satishwaran. My matrica number is 14 DKM18F1003 and I'm from DKM 6A. Today, I'm going to present about my 20 weeks of my industrial training program from 1st March till 16th of July. Company's profile. Fujitsu Component Malaysia, which is the company owned by Fujitsu Component Limited, Japan. The company is located at Parit Raja Batu Pahat, Johor. The industry is based on manufacturing electrical components. It is established on 9th of October 1980. I was assigned into the part production department. Part production department consists of 5 lanes. The first lane is direct mold section, which has the horizontal injection molding machine. Horizontal injection molding machine manufactures cover part of relay. Second lane is insert mold section. Insert mold section has the vertical injection molding machine. Third lane, stamping section. Stamping section has the stamping machine, which manufactures spring. Fourth lane has the grinder and mixture section, which has the crusher machine and the repellet machine. The repellet machine produces tiny particle material. And the fifth lane is keyboard section. Keyboard section has horizontal injection molding machine. Horizontal injection molding machine manufactures keytop. These are the activities that I've done weekly. I will always clean the air vacuum. The air vacuum is used to clean shoes before entering the part production section. Next, I will check the hydraulic oil level. After that, I will test out the servo packs that has serviced by the vendors. Then, if there is a request to change the size of the base mold, I will convert the base mold to P3 to P4, P5 base molds. Next, I will do manual grease pumping. Then, I will change the light at the indicator of the machine. After that, I will change and lap the cutting set. Lastly, I will change the hose that has leaked at the machine. Activity explanation. Activity 1. Service screw, barrel and nozzle is an activity that needed to be conducted once every 2 months. This servicing activity is done to ensure that the machine runs efficiently where it will affect the product quality. Procedures. Make sure the machine stop running. Second, do purging process by inserting ASACLEAN. This step is mandatory to clean all the remaining and excess material in the machine injection. During the stop, the machine needed to be heated up first in order to melt down the solid ASACLEAN. Thirdly, increase heater temperature to dismantle screw injection and nozzle. The increasing temperature will let the metal and expand and facilitate worker to dismantle the machine units. Fourthly, we will bring the screw to the workshop and clamp it down with a G-clamp for cleaning process. Fifth, heat up the torpedo before dismantling it from the screw. The ASACLEAN that attached to the screw will be removed using a steel wire brush. Sixth, clean up the torpedo head, seat ring and the check ring. Seventh, drill the nozzle with drilling tools to remove the excess material or ASACLEAN that is stuck in it. Eighth, attach the torpedo head back to the screw injection. Ninth, measure the size of the screw injection in the torpedo head. This step ensures if the diameter follows the specification after the cleaning process. If it's not passing the specification, the screw and the tip will be changed. Then, reinstall the clean screw, nozzle and torpedo set to the machine. And lastly, switch on the heater before using the machine. Activity 2. Firstly, stop the molding machine operation and on the heater. Secondly, heat up the heater temperature on the Z4 zone to plus 30 degrees Celsius from the original heating reading. Thirdly, open the cylinder tie bar to remove the rear injection unit. Fourthly, turn off the nozzle heater and remove the heater from the nozzle. Fifth, loosen and remove the nozzle using a spanner 41, size 41. Sixth, open the screw coupling and remove the screw from the barrel. Seventh, heat up the torpedo before dismantling it from the screw. The acetylene that attached to the screw will be removed using a wire brush. 8. Service screw barrel, check-ring, torpedo head, screw and nozzle. 9. Measure the dimension of check ring. This step ensures if the diameter follows the specification after the cleaning process. If it not passing the specification, the screw and the tip will be changed. Reinstall the torpedo head on the screw injection, install the nozzle and the heater nozzle, and turn on the heater and start purging acetylene. And lastly, run the molding machine operation. Activity 3. Removing oil from the bottle. Remove the pipe inside the oil bottle which was full. Secondly, pour the oil inside a plastic bag. Thirdly, the oil on the floor was wiped using a rag. Fourthly, the waste oil inside the plastic was poured inside a specific container. Fifthly, the rag was also thrown inside a specific container. Activity 4. Open the front of the repeller machine with an Allen key. Secondly, remove the nozzle with a mallet. Thirdly, clamp down the nozzle before starting the cleaning process. Fourthly, clean the nozzle with a wire brush. And fifthly, clean the inner part of the nozzle with a wire brush. Finding from industrial training. I have gained a lot of new experience and added knowledge, such as knowing the usage of relay. Secondly, I am able to improve equipment and machine skills. I was taught on how to do milling and drilling while I was doing my industrial training at Fujitsu Component Malaysia. Thirdly, I have questioning skills obtained. I have the initiative to ask questions about the working of machine in a professional way. Lastly, I know the specs required for the products. I have been exposed to the specs because I have to check the dimension of the bobbin terminal for at least 6 months. Thirdly, suggested improvement for Polytechnic. In my opinion, this industrial training course is too short. This will limit projects that can be undertaken by students. So, Polytechnic should extend their industrial training. Suggested improvement for industrial training is to try to make structured exercise to the trainees, so they are programmed to complete within the expected time given. Improvement for a company. The company must know what the real purpose is to session students undergo industrial training. The company needs to hold an interview session so that the company can know the background and abilities of the student. In conclusion, I have gained a lot of new experience and added knowledge. Students are trained to become a professional worker not only in terms of personal appearance, but also trained in technical skills as well as in manufacturing company. The theories that I learned from the lecturers and books also can be applied during this industrial training program. Usage for each tools and equipment helped me understand better on techniques and ways to use it correctly. This new experience had increased the value of skills, in which all of these values are limited to being learned through normal learning system in classroom while on campus. These are the attachments I have added.